Oh, it's a wonderful day in the Philippines. It's about, I'd say it's getting close to 80 degrees, probably 10:30 in the morning. And just a real slight breeze. Feels pretty good, kind of like summertime. Anyway, this is a long overdue update. And the reason is that I'm building this entire thing. I paid a year's advance rent, all that kind of thing. Everything I've done has been from my Social Security. And when I run out of money for labor materials, then the progress stops. Progress stops. There's no point in really doing a video, is there? So when I do my videos, it's about the life here in the Philippines. It's not actually about me as a guy. It's me as an example of something that any of you could do. You could just do it. So I'm just showing you what it's like. So when you think about coming to the Philippines, you've got a good concept of what it's actually like here. So just to recap, found the house, got that part done, did a design question about it, did an update on that, and now this is the next update. There were some trees to be cut out, so those all got done. Now I'm going to run through this property once and show you everything and then tell you what it costs. Then we talked about doing the patio. Here's the patio. There was a tree there, got cut down. The concrete was unlevel because the tree had pushed it up. That all had to get broken out. That's what's laying around. And then the bar, once we got the patio in, the bar was crooked. It was crooked at the point where it was annoying. I would have always been annoyed by it. And so for less than what it quoted to fix the bar, if it had been straight, it ended up, I'm getting the new one built for less. I'll give you the price on that. And then I'm going to make another round to tell you about the other costs. So this got done in a 3-day period. Everything I'm showing you got done in 3 days. So the trees cut out, concrete broke out, concrete laid, the new bar built so far. I have enough materials to finish this out. Then this little piece of concrete got built in. This was dirt here, and now from here we can walk in and go to use the restroom, which has a full shower, all that kind of thing. It just needs to be cleaned, painted, and so on. That toilet working. And then inside, here's the kitchen. So there's the sink. The sink will go in there. That countertop was already built in. Here is the oven, and here's where it's going to go. And the cabinets are going to go up there. The hood range will actually be here, and the cabinets will start and go up. These little countertops will be 50 centimeters each. The oven is 80. The oven is a nice 5-burner oven. And here is the hood range, and that will be going in. So with the framing there, the patio, the bar, this concrete here, $120. And to finish this sidewalk from here all the way around to the bar, $30. That'll be $30. I already have the materials. The materials for the entire patio, rebar, everything, blocks, sand, concrete, everything that you see was around $120. So for about $250, everything you saw, including labor and materials, was finished. It was done. Now on to some of the other improvements. I have a split aircon and air conditioner, but Philippines is known as aircon. And that keeps it very, very cool inside. Very cool. And there's some awnings that go in there, and then the electrical will be installed once that's done. I got the quote on the French doors. If I have windows built in exactly as this is, so this would be 1 door, 2 doors, and then floor to bottom to top with all the way, it would be $10,000. So it includes the frame and the doors installed. Or if I just have like 2 doors with 1 solid piece of glass, which I'm thinking about, that would be $6,000, which is the frame and the doors and all the hardware. So 10,000 pesos, 6,000 pesos, and those are installed labor, materials, etc., etc. Now, the range on the inside, that I got for $28, and I got it from a supplier here. I'm going to do a little video thing for them, and I went down to the major outlets, okay, in Angeles City at the SM malls and also at Marquee Mall, and at the places, the bigger department stores there, they were $29,000 to $33,000 for exactly the same thing. They gave it to me at 28. The hood range was almost 9,000 pesos, and they gave it to me at 7,000, almost 8,000. And then the aircon I got for 27,000. Normally those run, I'm thinking from what I remember, about 30,000 for a 1.5 horsepower. That's 10 years warranty, 5 years parts and labor. So that's the materials. There's one more thing that I've talked about, and that was the man cave. I'm thinking I kind of make it into like a second bedroom, so there's 2 baths, 2 beds. Notice this, the chalk on the floor. That would be one wall. So since this is the entrance to the house, okay, this would be the wall that would separate the man cave, and there would be a doorway there. This door is almost never open, but if it was open up all the way, it still only comes to about here. So the guy just left with a quote on a piece of metal, tube metal that would curve, and then one at the top, and I could do bamboo or glass, any kind of thing up and down. Over here, this being the man cave, and I'll get back to that, the wall and the ceiling would go over all the way to the bathroom and then come and curve. The ceiling would take in this curvature here. And the curvature here would be a piece of metal bent, the top and bottom. And that way I could put whatever kind of bamboo or whatever I want to go. This is where a window would be. There's the window there, it would go in. The ceiling would be completely redone in tube steel and long span roofing. So this would be completely sealed off. It could be air conditioned. And what I'm thinking of is in this little area, I don't know if you can see that curve, the curve there, but that could either be a bed in here, and because that's like 80 inches, 75 inches, and or a big walk-in closet. I could store my stuff in there when I rent it out, whatever. Maybe a big screen TV, a 2-burner stove, which is extremely typical here in the Philippines, and sink and so on. Couch, folds out into a bed, a larger screen TV, a little refrigerator. And this I could rent out, or people could come and stay. Subscribers could come and check things out. So as I'm thinking about this whole project, that would be if somebody wanted to rent this thing out, it'd be one price. They want to rent out the house, it'd be another price. They want to rent both, which would sleep 6. The house would sleep 4 comfortably. You know, if you wanted to come here, check out the province life, you wanted to meet some family here, it's kind of a small compound with plenty of land. I'll be doing some sand and some hammocks out there. So if you're coming here to meet your significant other and want a place where her family can come, you can bring a small family here, have a place for the kids to play in the sand, have a place for the adults to entertain themselves. The oven, if you notice, is a 5-burner. On the inside, you can actually rotisserie 2 chickens. So you can cook for a kind of a medium-sized group. So this might be a place where people can come and invite their new family if they're getting married over here, that kind of thing. Or if you just want to get away, maybe you're a digital nomad, you want to go check out the Philippines and the province. So that's the kind of thing that I'm going to do with this when I'm not here. This place, for me, is my it's my hideaway, where I come in out of the cold from doing videos and stuff, and I just want to go and doing editing and those kinds of things. That's what this place is for me. This is my primary residence. But so many people have had so many questions about what life was like here and that kind of thing. I just thought, when I'm traveling 50 to 70% of the time, it would be nice to make it available to my subscribers. Not something I'm going to put on Airbnb, but it would be rented like Airbnb. Same similar kind of thing. So let me know what you think. Any ideas on the man cave? Any ideas about something that you might want if you were going to stay here? Anyway, let me know. Thanks.